Deep in the northern reaches of Yakutia, Russia, a colossal natural phenomenon is reshaping the landscape and stirring intrigue among scientists and the public alike. Known as the Batagay Megaslump, or the Gate to Hell, this enormous depression has rapidly expanded over recent decades, revealing not just the effects of climate change, but also the remains of ancient creatures like mammoths and prehistoric flora. As it grows larger, now measuring over 1 kilometer long and 800 meters wide, it serves as a stark reminder of our planet's shifting climate and the profound impact of permafrost thawing. Join us as we explore the captivating story behind this mysterious giant hole, its implications for our future, and the remarkable discoveries it has yielded. The Batagay Megaslump is more than just a geological curiosity. It's a critical window into the consequences of climate change. As this massive hole continues to grow, it releases greenhouse gases that could significantly accelerate global warming, potentially altering weather patterns and ecosystems around the world. Beyond the scientific data, the discoveries made within this site, like the preserved remains of a woolly mammoth perfectly frozen for millennia, remind us of the rich history buried beneath the thawing ground. As we stand on the brink of an ecological tipping point, the Batagay Megaslump beckons us to reflect on our relationship with nature and the urgent need to address climate change before it's too late. Will we heed its warnings, or will we continue to ignore the signs etched into the earth? Studies of the organic remains found within the Batagay Megaslump are providing insights into the ecosystems of the past. Scientists have extracted DNA from the remains of Pleistocene fauna, allowing them to reconstruct ancient habitats and understand how these species adapted to their environment. The local indigenous Yakut people have long had stories about strange occurrences and a bottomless pit in the region, which they attributed to spiritual phenomena. Now, these tales are interwoven with scientific explanations, bridging the gap between folklore and modern understanding. The process of thermokarst, which is causing the Batagay Megaslump to expand, is also occurring in various other regions worldwide, particularly in regions with permafrost. In Alaska, significant thawing occurs in areas like the North Slope and the Kenai Peninsula, leading to the development of large thermokarst features. The Yamal Peninsula in Russia also experiences widespread permafrost thawing, resulting in thermokarst lakes and notable pingos. On the Tibetan Plateau in China, melting permafrost is causing changes in hydrology and soil stability. Siberia hosts other significant formations, including craters linked to permafrost degradation. Northern Canada, particularly the Mackenzie Delta region, faces similar effects, while Greenland is seeing landscape changes due to coastal permafrost thawing. Lastly, Svalbard in Norway is under scrutiny for its permafrost degradation, highlighting the global urgency of addressing climate change. This highlights a global crisis where melting permafrost is not isolated to one area, but is part of a larger environmental trend. Permafrost plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by acting as a carbon sink. When it remains frozen, it effectively locks away carbon-rich organic matter, preventing it from entering the atmosphere. However, as temperatures rise and permafrost thaws, this balance is disrupted. Studies estimate that the Arctic's permafrost contains nearly 1,700 billion tons of carbon, which could be released as greenhouse gases if thawing continues. This could lead to a feedback loop, where increased greenhouse gases further accelerate global warming, exacerbating the crisis. The melting of permafrost not only affects atmospheric conditions, but also impacts local ecosystems. As the ground becomes unstable, It can lead to changes in water flow, affecting plant and animal habitats. Species that rely on stable conditions for survival may find their ecosystems altered or destroyed. This can lead to shifts in biodiversity, with some species thriving in the new conditions while others struggle to adapt. The Batagay Megaslump serves as a microcosm of these larger ecological changes, illustrating how interconnected our planet's systems are. Interestingly, evidence has shown that the global seawater flow cycle has already been disturbed due to human activity, as illustrated in the movie The Day After Tomorrow. As a result, extreme heat and cold occur because water is unable to cycle effectively to distribute heat around the globe. This disruption has led to natural disasters like tsunamis and hurricanes becoming more prevalent. Researchers show that many now existing cities might be submerged by seawater in the next couple of years. Understanding the Batagay Megaslump's implications emphasizes the urgency of climate action. As we witness firsthand the physical manifestations of climate change, it becomes increasingly clear that we must reduce greenhouse gas emissions, protect natural carbon sinks, and invest in renewable energy sources. Educational initiatives and community engagement can foster awareness and inspire collective action to address this global challenge. As research continues and new discoveries emerge from the depths of the Batagay Megaslump, scientists hope to unlock more secrets of the past while preparing for the future. The knowledge gained from this unique geological phenomenon can inform climate models and help us develop strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The Batagay Megaslump stands as both a warning and an opportunity, an invitation to learn from our planet's history as we navigate the uncertainties of our changing climate. The Gate to Hell is not merely a captivating geological feature, but a symbol of the challenges we face as stewards of our planet. As we delve deeper into understanding the forces at play, it is imperative that we take action to ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. The time to act is now, for the consequences of inaction may be far more dire than we can imagine.